How to apply a promo code on Grubhub. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can apply a promo code on Grubhub. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So the first step, open up your Grubhub. Make sure you're logged in. Then after this loads, you can then select what you want to order. So I'll just select whatever comes first. And this one right here. So let's say that I want this meat lovers pizza. So yeah, you'll need to keep in mind that you can only apply a promo code when you're ordering something. So let's say that I want this. So I'll just choose this and add it to my bag. So okay, so let me add that to the bag. And after I add it to the bag, I can view the order. After viewing the order, you will see right here, before you continue to checkout, you can add a promo code. Tap on add promo code and you can choose whichever you want. So you can tap on add promo code, then enter whatever promo code that you have. And after you enter the promo code, you can then see your discounts or whatever you got. And after that, your total will be a bit different due to the discount. And after that, you can tap on continue to checkout and you'll have applied the promo code on Grubhub. And it's basically that simple. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.